Develop a passion for learning. If you do, you'll never cease to grow. Hello children, my name is Muhammadullah and I'm your English teacher. We're going through the second chapter, the park. In our previous video, we covered up the reading portion. So in today's video, we're going to learn the new and difficult word which is given in this chapter, so that we may understand the chapter. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Here we go. The second chapter, the park. Please note down the word meaning which we are going to learn. Alright? All people like to visit a park and spend time there. Children play in the park and have fun. All people like to visit a park. Visit. Note down the meaning in your textbook or in your notebook. Visit. What is the meaning of visit? Visit means milna. All people like to visit a park. हर कोई पार्क को मिलना पसंद करता है. It doesn't suitable here, मिलना, right? So all people like to visit a park means हर किसी को पार्क में जाना पसंद है, मिलने जाना पसंद है. Visit means मिलना, but यहाँ पर you can say पार्क में जाना पसंद है. You can also say I want to visit your school. मैं तुम्हारे स्कूल में आना चाहता हूँ. If you want to say I want to visit your school, that means मैं तुम्हारे स्कूल में आना चाहता हूँ. But here मिलना in उर्दू अच्छा नहीं लगता. मैं तुम्हारे स्कूल में मिलना चाहता हूँ. मिलना means स्कूल से मिलना. अगर आपको बोलना है यानी स्कूल को देखना, then you may say I want to visit your school. I'm going to visit my nana. I'm going to visit my grandma. मिलना वहां पे सही है, but here visit means जाना. All people like to visit a park. हर किसी को पार्क में जाना पसंद है and spend time there. So note down the meaning here. Visit means milna, but here it means jana. Alright? All people like to visit a park and spend time there. Note down the meaning spend. Let me write this here. Spend. Spend means खर्च करना. खर्च करना. Spend means खर्च करना. All people like to visit a park and spend time there. All people like to visit a park and spend time there. हर किसी को पार्क में जाना पसंद है और वहां पे लोग क्या करते हैं? स्पेंड टाइम, अपना वक्त खर्च करते हैं, यानी टाइम पास करते हैं, वक्त को खर्च करते हैं. स्पेंड मीन्स खर्च करना, यहाँ पर टाइम पास करना. Alright, children play in the park and have fun. You can note down the example from here. Spend means खर्च करना. वो पैसे खर्च करने लगा. He began to spend money. He began to spend money. If you want to note down the example, then you may pause the video here for a while and note down the example which is given here. Okay? Spend. Children play in the park and have fun. Play. Play means खेलना. Play means खेलना. You may see the picture here. The children are playing here. बच्चे पानी में खेलते हैं. Note down the example. The children play in water. The children play in water. Play means खेलना. So let's begin now the story from here. There is a park near my home. Near. Note down the meaning. Near. N-E-A-R. Near means करीब. There is a park near my home. मेरे घर के करीब एक पार्क है. It is a nice park. और वो एक अच्छा पार्क है. I go there to play with my friends. मैं वहाँ पे अपने दोस्तों के साथ खेलने जाता हूँ. Old men and women go there to spend. Old men and women go there. बूढ़े और बुढ़िया लोग भी वहाँ जाते हैं. ज़ईफ लोग, ज़ईफ आदमी और ज़ईफ औरतें. बुढ़े एंड बुढ़िया. ज़ईफ आदमी और ज़ईफ औरतें वहाँ पर जाती हैं. Nice. Note down the meaning here. Nice means अच्छा. It is a nice park. ये एक अच्छा पार्क है. Nice. बढ़िया, अच्छा. See here in this picture, this girl. See the dress here. This dress is nice. Note down the example. This dress is nice. ये dress अच्छी है, अच्छा है. It's given here. If you want to note down the example, then pause your video for a while and note down the example. I go there. Go. Go means जाना. I go there. मैं वहाँ जाता हूँ. To play with my friends. अपने दोस्तों के साथ खेलने के लिए. Go. See here. They are going somewhere. Go means जाना. Note down the example. They decided to go. उन्होंने जाने का फैसला किया. To go. जाने का. Go means जाना. There is a park. Okay. Old men and women go there to spend time. वहाँ पर ज़ईफ आदमी और ज़ईफ औरतें भी जाती हैं. किस लिए? To spend time. वक्त बिताने के लिए. Spend means खर्च करना, but here वक्त बिताना. There are benches to sit on. Are. Someone has asked me the meaning of this word. Are. Let me show you the image. Are. See here. वे प्यारे हैं. They are lovely. They too are lovely. Are. There are many swings in the park. There are many swings in the park. Let me write this word here. Swing. Swing means झूला. There are many swings in the park. पार्क में बहुत सारे झूले हैं. I like to sit on the seesaw. Let me show you the picture. Swing. See here. This is a swing. झूला. A girl is playing with the swing. उसे झूलना अच्छा लगता है. She likes to swing. We can also use this word as a verb. उसे झूलना अच्छा लगता है. She likes to swing. There are many swings in the park. I like to sit on the seesaw. Seesaw. What is seesaw? Let me show you the image. This one is the seesaw. If you go to a park, then you may find this seesaw. There is a lawn in the middle of the park. Lawn. What is lawn? Let me show you the image first. Lawn means, see these space are called lawn. A beautiful lawn. A beautiful lawn. Note down the meaning. And you may also note down the example which is given here. A beautiful lawn. There is a lawn in the middle of the park. There are many swings in the park. पार्क में बहुत सारे झूले हैं. I like to sit on the seesaw. मुझे seesaw पे बैठना पसंद है. There is a lawn in the middle of the park. पार्क के बीच में एक lawn है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत. The lawn has green grass. उस lawn में हरी घास है. Some people lie on the lawn. कुछ लोग उस lawn में लेट जाते हैं. And take rest. और आराम करते हैं. Take rest. Note down the meaning. Lie. L-I-E. Lie means लेटना. लेटना, लेट जाना. आराम करने के लिए लेट जाना. Take rest. Take rest. Take rest means आराम करना. Take rest, आराम करना. Some people lie on the lawn and take rest. कुछ लोग lawn में लेट जाते हैं और आराम करते हैं. There are many trees and plants in the park. पार्क में बहुत सारे पेड़. There are many trees. बहुत सारे पेड़ और plants हैं. What is the difference between plants and trees? Plant could be small, but trees are the one which is bigger in size. There are many beautiful flowers. वहाँ पर बहुत सारे खूबसूरत flowers भी हैं. There is also a signboard. Also, someone has asked me the meaning of this word. Also, let me show you the picture here. Also, see, she also loves him. She. See here, this is the younger sister and this is the elder sister and this one is the younger sister. This man loves her sister, this sister, but she also loves this sister. Also, वो भी उससे प्यार करती है. And she also loves her brother. Alright. So note down the meaning. Also means be. There is also a signboard. Signboard. Someone has asked me the meaning. Let me show you the image. Signboard. You see, these are signboard. Signboard. Different kind of signboard. Please don't pluck flowers. What is written on signboard? Please don't pluck flowers. साइन बोर्ड पर लिखा है कि please don't pluck flowers. Pluck means तोड़ना. फूल को मत तोड़िए. साइन बोर्ड पर यही लिखा है. Please don't pluck flowers. Many people come to the park during evening. बहुत से लोग पार्क में आते हैं. कब आते हैं? During evening. शाम के वक्त. शाम के वक्त आते हैं. During evening. शाम में. शाम के दरमियान. You may note down the meaning. During means during. So during means darmiyan. Note down the meaning. Many people come to the park during evening. बहुत सारे लोग शाम के दरमियान पार्क में आते हैं. They bring. Note down the meaning. Note down the meaning. Bring. B-R-I-N-G. Bring. Bring means लाना. They bring snacks. वो लाते हैं. क्या लाते हैं? Snacks and fruits to eat. खाने के लिए वो snacks and fruits लेकर आते हैं. There is a board near the dustbin. There is a board near the dustbin. डस्टबिन के पास एक बोर्ड है. डस्टबिन. डस्टबिन क्या होता है? जिसमें हम कूड़ा डालते हैं. It says. उस डस्टबिन पर लिखा हुआ है. क्या लिखा हुआ है? Use me. Keep the park clean. मुझे इस्तेमाल करो और पार्क को साफ सुथरा रखो. डस्टबिन पे ये लिखा हुआ होता है. It says. ये कहता है. क्या कहता है? Use me. Keep the park clean. हालांकि पार्क कहता नहीं है. इसका मतलब यहाँ पर होता है डस्टबिन पे ये लिखा होता है. It says means यहाँ पर मतलब है ये लिखा होता है. क्या लिखा होता है? Use me. Keep the park clean. We should not pluck flowers and leaves. हमें pluck means हमने अभी पीछे पढ़ा. pluck means तोड़ना. We should not pluck. हमें तोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. क्या? flowers. फूल को. and leaves. और पत्तियों को. पार्क में जब जाएं तो फूल और पत्तियों को तोड़े नहीं. Okay. We must always throw rubbish into the dustbin. हमें हमेशा always. If you want to note down the meaning, note here. ALWAYS. Always means हमेशा. We must always throw rubbish into the dustbin. हमें हमेशा जो रबिश चीज होती है उसको डस्टबिन में फेंकना चाहिए. थ्रो मीन्स फेंकना. THROW. थ्रो मीन्स फेंकना. Well, I think I've written this wrongly. Okay, you may write this in Hindi. फेंकना. यहाँ पे ये मैंने गलत लिख दिया है. इसको हम सही कर लेते हैं. फेंकना. थ्रो मीन्स फेंकना. We must always throw rubbish into the dustbin. हमें हमेशा जो रबिश क्या होता है? जो भी पॉलीथीन वगैरह बची रहती है, रैपर वगैरह, उसको बोलते हैं रबिश. जो जिसे हम फेंक देते हैं. कूड़ा. ओके. तो हमें रबिश चीज जो होती है, जो बची पॉलीथीन वगैरह, उसको कहाँ फेंकना चाहिए? डस्टबिन में. नोट डाउन ऑल द मीनिंग्स. सी द इमेज हियर. ड्यूरिंग. They were happy during the wedding. वे शादी के दौरान खुश थे. During. During means दौरान. Bring. See, a dog is bringing something. Here you see the picture. The dog will bring the stick. The dog will bring the stick. कुत्ता लाठी लाएगा. लाठी. It's a stick. Bring. लाना. This is an image of a dustbin. See, these are the image of few dustbin. Dustbin ऐसी होती है जो पार्क में होती है. All right, so that's all for today.